Charles Osborne hiccuped for an unbelievable 68 years straight, a record that still baffles medical experts today. Starting in 1922, this relentless hiccuping marathon began after a simple fall while trying to weigh a hog, triggering a life-altering diaphragm spasm. Imagine 430 million hiccups dictating daily life, yet Osborne adapted, becoming a symbol of resilience. Despite the constant hiccup interruptions, nearly 40 times a minute at its peak, he led a relatively normal life, working on his farm and even getting married twice. He experimented with countless remedies, yet none succeeded until they mysteriously vanished in 1990. His story isn't just about an extraordinary medical anomaly but a testament to human endurance and the power of adaptation. Charles Osborne's life was a hiccup in history that never ceased to amaze and inspire, showing that even the most bizarre challenges can be met with unwavering tenacity.